Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. First of all, you have to open the link which is going to below in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this. It's cedracoin.com, a world of possibilities with guidance from Cosmic Cedra. Cedra integrates creativity, innovation, and sustainability supported by Cedra Coin SDR. The ecosystem allows secure transaction upgrades and rewards. Here you can see about links, CTA, mining, economics, and Cedrax. And here is, I think, an other one thing. Okay, here is Cedra Hub and Explorer. Okay, I'll show you all that options by clicking on them or by scrolling just the website. Here you can see their Discord. Click on Discord to join their Discord. Click on Telegram to join their Telegram. Click on Twitter to join their Twitter, and click on GitHub to join their GitHub to get the latest updates for this coin. It's Cedra. Here you can see inside Cedra, a metaverse powered by Metacore. Intelligent Cedra craft their world with custom tokenized assets. CTAs, a world that is mutable and also cooperative. Here you can see Explorer, Cedra white paper, and Ghost DAG. By clicking on Explorer, you will be redirected to this explorer.cedracoin.com. Here you can see dashboard blocks, transaction, coin supply. Total supply is around 20 billion SDR, maximum approximately 28 billion 700 million, mined 68%, block reward 329 SDR, and reward reduction 2025 second month, and I think second ninth date. Okay, you can see block tag info, network name Cedra mainnet, block count 2,36,055, header count it's around 214k, 214k, virtual GAA score around 310k, hash rate is 4.63 5 ph per second. Cedra info memorial pool size 1, server VN 0.12.15. Here you can see latest blocks, latest transactions by just scrolling them. Next, I'll show you Cedra white paper. By clicking on Cedra white paper, you will be redirected to this Cedra Beyond Genesis white paper. Here you can see first introduction, Cedra, Cedra coin, Cedra custom tokenized assets, Meta Core, Cedex Hub, Cedrex tokenomics roadmap, and then disclaimer. You can read the total white paper right here. By clicking on Ghost DAG white paper, you will be redirected to this Phantom Ghost DAG, a scalable generalization of Nakamoto consensus. November 10, 2021. Jonathan Simplonsky, Shai Wybowski, Avid Zohar. Abstract introduction. You can read the total white paper here by just clicking on Ghost DAG white paper. Next, I'll show you everything you need is links. Here you can see here are the links to the exchanges Max, Albank, CJAX, TradeOgree, and non-KYC. Next, you can see web wallet for Windows, Linux, desktop wallets, Windows, Linux, and mobile wallets, Cedra Coin mobile wallet. Discover custom tokenized assets, CTA. Our innovative platform revolves around crypto tokenized assets. CTA are modern take and traditional NFT exclusively available on all Cedra blockchain. You can see by clicking on run more, or you can reserve CTAC by clicking on this. Blockforge mining. Mining Cedra requires two components, a node, Cedrat, and a miner. A third component is required to create and maintain a wallet. The node listens for new blocks while the miner is searching for blocks or report to the node. All three components are provided as standalone files, which requires no installation. You need to either download pre-compiled binaries or compile the code base yourself. The first option is recommended for most users. Cedra node and Cedra miner. Here is the instruction. By clicking on instruction, you will be redirected to instruction. Here are the tokenomics, or I think it's economics. 10% staking farming operation, 10% miners reward, 4% supporters and enthusiasts, 6% liquidity pools and exchanges, 30% ecosystem, 20% marketing, 10% development incentives, and 10% treasury. And other 10% is for staking farming operation. Here you can see proof of work block, DGA rewards program. Unleash the benefits of being an adopter with minor rewards, supporters, and enthusiast incentives. Stay tuned for upcoming staking and governance programs. The metaverse, immerse yourself in setups where AI automation and 3D builder technology creates a lifelike virtual world. And here you can read the total. I'll show you that. That's a coin going to be launched, or I think it's already launched. You can hold this coin, you can purchase this coin to get a huge profit in the future. Maybe it will hit 100x in a week, maybe it will hit 1000x in a month, or 2000x, and so on. So I think it's a great opportunity to purchase this coin at this point. As you can see, AI vehicles, coin business, guilds, global bank marketplace, the regime. Here you can see visit Cedrex by clicking on this, and the journey map is here. 2024 foundations and progress completed, 2025 growth and interaction ongoing, and 2026 evolution, which will be ongoing. Join us at Cedrex. Whether you are a miner, developer, investor, or enthusiast, join us in building a new era in blockchain at Cedrex. At Cedra, innovation needs community, meets community, and our contributions propose us beyond the horizons of digital currency and virtual experiences. Here is the Cedrex Marketplace. Cedrex Marketplace empowering Cedrians in the AI-driven metaverse. Ongoing updates. The transition to WSDR tokens is underway, and CTAs are being finalized for seamless integration into the Cedra ecosystem. Exciting updates are on the horizon. Explore the marketplace. Milestone and progress. WSDR integration. CTA finalization. Marketplace expansion. CTA tokens. Cedrian highlights. Meet the top contributors of Cedrex, showcasing their achievements and growing the ecosystem together. Here is the level Genesis, and here is the last digits of it. Here is the starting digits of his UID name. Not available. Ownership not available. City is 80 days. And here is the level Genesis, and again it's same about Cedrex. Here you can see what is Cedrex. Cedrex Marketplace is a foundation for Cedrians to build, trade, and personalize assets in a dynamic AI-powered digital universe. What are CTAs? CTAs are the cornerstone of the Cedrex ecosystem, dynamic, upgradable, and interoperable assets. Intelligent ownership at Cedrex. CTAs enable Cedrians to collaborate, innovate, and grow a unified economy for all. By clicking on Connect Wallet, you can connect your wallet, and then you will be able to trade on Cedrex Marketplace. So that's the today's video. Hope so you'll enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.